that my phone you have in your
You
hand?
have to sign that. Did you sign it?
Yes.
Okay, you sign it? Okay. Promise to give DC.
Oh my god.
I'm married to
Terrible that we're calling it DC. Is that the official name?
This way is better, Joey.
Yes, it has to be.
kind of like.
The love, care, and attention she needs for his or her
It's gonna
whole
end up being
lifetime.
Dee Dee.
I will,
Sorry, Dee Dee.
I will, listen, you have to, listen. I will respect my pet and be kind and gentle with him or her at all times. I will be responsible for providing my pet with a clean, safe home. I will give my pet food. So these are the stipulations, but I'm gonna read them out to you, okay? I and Kate are not responsible for cleaning the litter box. Do you both agree? Do you all agree?
Yes.
Okay, here's the other part. When Connor is here alone, Connor is responsible for cleaning the litter box. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, we got that on film. You definitely agree. When
Look
you
at TT and say, I agree.
look at TT and say,
I agree.
Eloise and Madeline, when you are here and Connor's not here, you guys alternate turns.
Yes. I agree. 100,000%.
And Eloise, do you agree?
I agree.
And let's talk about the weekends that all three of them are here.
What?
Let's talk about the weekends that all three of them are here.
And the weekends that all three of you are here.
We got to take a Friday, a Saturday, and a Sunday.
So Madeline, because
You don't clean it every day.
you
If it falls on a Friday, who's responsible
Oh.
for Friday? If it falls on a
And-
Saturday, who's responsible for Saturday? If it falls on a Sunday.
okay. So Madeline, you're responsible for Friday nights.
Okay.
Connor, you're responsible
Sunday,
for Sunday
because he's always here. on
because you're here on Sunday. Eloise, you're responsible for Saturday. We all agree.
100%.
We agree
We
to
all
clean
agree.
Dad and Tad's shit.
Okay. We also acknowledge that I will not be cleaning the
We
pool.
acknowledge.
No,
All right, I just want everybody to
You
understand,
said that like
this is
3
all part.
times.
This is
The only
all
thing
part
you're
of the
cleaning
deal.
up
And
is dead
15
bodies.
times this whole year.
That's okay. I just because this is what happens. People say yes, 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 and then they don't. follow.
Yes. 100.
So we're all good. Okay. All right. Pinky promise. Pinky promise. Pinky promise. All right, we're good. All right. So we'll go through the rest. I will give my pet food and water in clean bowls. I will make sure my pet is safe and comfortable. I will keep my pet well groomed by brushing and bathing him or her. I will spend time playing with my pet. I will make sure my pet has an identification tag. I will help train my pet so he or she behaves well. You guys all agree?
And does not get eaten by a coyote.
It's not going outside.
Yes, it's not being an outside
going
It's
cat.
an
Rest in
indoor
peace,
cat.
JJ Jigglebug.
Yeah.
Oh God.
And hence neighbor's cat.
You're indoor cat. So you guys are also responsible for putting water in its water bowl and food in its food bowl.
Yes.
All right. So the day that you are responsible for cleaning its poop out, you're also responsible for putting water in food.
It's just a bad day.
And you know
Alright.
something, when the summer comes, the water gets hot, you should change it often and put cool water.
I have a cat.
She's good. All right. Put your name. Put your signature right there.
Oh, I got a new signature because I don't like writing my
Mine
full
just
name.
scribbles.
That's great. All right. We're good.
I don't have
We're good.
I'm not writing mine in cursive.
That's perfect, honey.
That's